housing loans, and if you avail housing loan, what are the benefits will be given to the customer, everything we'll discuss today. So housing loan means any individual to get the finance from a bank or financial institution or housing finance company to buy a new house or resale of home. You can buy a resale, construct or renovate or extend your house. You can avail housing loan. So to buy a new house or already constructed house, or resale house means old house, or you can renovate, or you already one floor is there, you want to go for another floor, you can avail a housing loan. So normally this housing loan will be given in a EMI format, means every month you have to pay EMI amount. You get it monthly installments. So what is the policy? So housing loan will be given for non-real estate purpose. For the speculation and all, housing loan will not be given. Housing loan will be given for the individuals to buy a house or flat and to stay, or to give to give it for a rent, not for real estate purpose. Acquisition of land. If I buy a plot, can I get a loan? Yes. You buy a plot and you give a declaration to the bank that after 6 months or within 1 year I'll construct a home. So you can avail to buy a land also. Types of loans. Home loan to buy a new apartment, row house, bungalow, or develop or underdeveloped, or during the construction also you can take a home loan. Home loan, construction loan. If you buy a land, then you construct a home, you'll get a loan. Home renovation, already you have a home, you want to paint, or you want to change entire tiling, roof repair, whatever it may be, renovations, any repairs, you can avail housing loan. Home extension loan means you have already ground floor, you want to construct a first floor, you can avail housing loan. To buy a flat, yes, you can avail a housing loan. You can give a declaration to the bank that house will be constructed in the future. Balance transfer loan. You have a loan in one bank, but another bank is in a another bank. You want to transfer this loan amount. Another bank is giving a lesser rate of interest, and they are giving a larger period. Then you can go to another bank or financial institution. These will be called as balance transfer loans. Eligibility. Normally, housing loan will be given to the loan will be eligible for to satisfy these conditions. Your current age is less, then your chances of getting loan for longer period. Your age is more. For example, if my age is 50, I will not get loan for 20 years or 30 years. I'll get maximum 8 years, because 58 or 60 will be the retirement age. If my age is 30, I'll get a loan for 15 years, 20, 25 years also. And financial profile of the customer. So whether person is a employed central government employee, state government employee, or he is a software employee, or a working for a private company, how so all these will be depending on your job, your working company, uh, loan eligibility will be sanctioned. Credit score, it is very important. So every bank or financial institution, they'll have a uh, cutoff marks. Okay, if your CIBIL score is more than that cutoff, you'll get easily your loan will be approved. Other financial obligation, whether customer having a personal loan, credit card loan, or car loans, other loans, then they'll verify what is your liabilities and what is this new EMI, include everything, whether you have a sufficient income to repay EMI, everything they'll verify, then only you'll get a eligibility. Okay, construction of a building or ready built house, yes, already constructed house also you'll get a loan, or ready to move also you'll get a loan. You'll get a loan if the house is in town or village, anything you'll get a loan. Okay, even some government schemes like a slum development area, you want to construct a house also, you'll get a loan. But any unauthorized colonies, if you are buying a house, you will not get a housing loan. If you are buying a if you are buying a house or you are constructing a house for the commercial purpose, means you buy a house or you buy a row house or anything and you are giving for the commercial purpose, then you will not eligible for the housing loan. Supplementary finance, yes, for the alternatives repairs you can avail housing loan. And if don't have a sufficient income, you can give the other sources of income, then you'll get a extra finance for repairs, improvements or extension, everything you will get a housing loan. So for any houses meant for the purely for the construction of government, semi-government offices, including municipal office, panchayat office, housing loan will not be given. Any constructions, government like state finance housing corporation, so you will not get housing loans. Lending to the housing intermediary agencies, yes, for example, any settle loan, because you are not paid for few months and you have paid everything with the settlement, so automatically your credit score will be dropped by 75 to 100 points. So you see that every time you pay the EMI on due date, so that there won't be any impact on your credit score. Tax exemption. So why people will go for housing loan? One is lower interest rate. You get a longer period. Normally, personal loans will be given for 12 months or 24 months. Housing loans will be given for 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 years also it will be given. And under section 80, you will get a tax exemption. Whatever the principal paid in the EMI, so up to 1.5 lakhs for a financial year, from April to March, in between you paid EMIs. In that EMI, certain portion will be adjusted to principal, certain portion will be adjusted to interest. So for the interest in a financial year, you will get a 2 lakhs exemption. If it is a joint owners, you will get a tax exemption. Provisional certificate. Normally, provisional certificate will be issued in the starting of the financial year. Now, 1st April itself, we can give a certificate for next 1 year. What is your total EMI to be paid, and in that, what is the principal amount, what is the interest amount, everything you will get it in provisional certificate. Important points. So already we have discussed 1.5 lakhs you will get under ATC for the principal amount you are repaid, and 2 lakhs for the interest on housing loans. And during the registration of your flat or house, you if you have incurred any charges like stamp duty or registration fee, these also will get tax exemption, but maximum cap is 1.5 lakhs only. Frequently asked questions, like if I buy a house, I will have a housing loan, but after 2 years I'll sell. Before 5 years, if you sell, whatever the amount you are paid, in that you get a principal exemption. Now that will be reversed. Thank you, friends. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Please like my channel. Please share my channel with your friends also.